Okay, so we have our thermal head back in there. Yes, so after putting back the core, we just fixed the thermal head back in there. I'm supposed to put four screws back in there, but come on, it came tampered with, so two screws were already out. So I just probably have to fix one for them myself if I have some. So let me just put this back correctly. Yes, so it's in now. Now they had two screws, but I have an extra screw here, so I like to add it for them to make it four for them. So I'm going to fix their first two screws for them. That's one, and they're going back to the corners. The place we were taking off the screws down there. Let's see. Okay. Yes, that's one. And then again we have one here. We'll fix that one with the black strip.
Good morning.
One is a